Good day to you. Today we will fix Kingston HyperX gaming headset that does not work, including the microphone. There are only two possibilities: damaged wire at jack or damaged wire at housing entry. Connect your headset to music source and move the wire all over the place to find the inner defect. If wire is damaged at jack, watch my previous tutorial by clicking I button at the upper right corner. In my case, sound does not appear when I move the wire at jack, so let's try other possible place. Twist the wire, and if sound appears even for a millisecond, then we know that this is the right place and we can start the fixing. As always, prepare a typical DIY tool set so we can start doing this. Start by removing the ear cushions to get to the screws, and of course unscrew them all. But make sure you don't lose them, because we'll need them to put everything back. Open up the headphones and get ready for some hard work. It's also important to know if speaker is working by moving the wire and checking if sound appears at any of the ends. If speaker is okay, then cut off all incoming wires. Use pliers to remove incoming wires locking ring. When about 5 cm long damaged wire is removed, let's remove new wires fabric sleeving from the end. You can later burn leftover fabric sleeving. Then remove the wire's isolation to get to the metal veins. But carefully, don't damage them. When it's done, separate veins by color. Then with superglue secure the fabric sleeving to make sure it does not come off. Since I can't get metal ring back on the wire, I'll use securing tube. Cut it off and put it on the wire. Then prepare all veins for soldering. Don't forget to cover them with tin. For additional safety, check with multimeter if all veins are healthy. Sometimes wire can be damaged at the middle. Well, wire is healthy, yes. We can continue. Unsolder the old wires from the speaker and solder new ones in their place. Remember which color goes where. Before unsoldering the old ones, remember or write down vein colors. When veins are soldered, put on the tubing and warm it up. Pull the wire till it stops by tubing, then add some super glue and move the wire a bit to make glue cover all the parts and it glues nicely. Then build back the headphones by screwing back the screws. Take your music player or phone and check if both sides are working. All it's left to do is put back the cushion and job is done, partner. If it's hard for you, come with us to the video under I button where we discuss why it is so hard. Well, we have revived our favorite gaming headphones. Saved $70 and we can get right into some shooters. Headphones don't even look repaired. Like new. Nice. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to me to show your gratitude. Good luck and see ya.